Hey guys, it's Erin on the Friendly Sisters Club with a guest called my grandfather.
Good morning, good morning.
Today we're going to be making some chocolate chip pancakes, and here's what...
Okay, allow me to interrupt for a moment here because I want you to know that you can make a vegan version using this product right here. And instead of the milk, you can also purchase this and use this. And then again, a new product that's out, you can use this. And don't forget the chocolate chips should be dark chocolate with no milk.
You need some of this mix, I don't know what it's called, some eggs, some oil, a bowl, chocolate chip, of course, measuring spoons, measuring cup, and milk. So the first thing that we're going to do is 1 cup milk.
Mix.
So that is with the this thing.
It's open enough.
Okay.
Thank you.
So guys, we got the 1 cup mixing, and
So we're done with that.
we didn't use all of it, which is good. Next, what we're gonna do is
Pour it in the bowl.
pour it in the bowl.
Sure.
Sure.
Go ahead.
Pour it in the bowl. And you always want to measure stuff. That's why we have these.
Next we have 3/4 cup milk.
And I can do that.
So now we got the 3/4 cup milk, and that goes in. Yeah,
Now
we want to
mix it in.
mix that in a little bit there, because step number 3 is 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 egg.
When we just added the milk, so it's not gonna mix all the way. But when you add the oil, it kind of is.
How much oil? 1 tablespoon going in. All right, start mixing.
And mix it. And when you add in the oil, it kind of makes it more.
Oh!
It kind of makes it more chunkier. And like it sticks together better. I'm sure you're not gonna.
1 egg.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna add in the egg.
No shells. Woohoo!
Now we're gonna mix that in.
In the meantime, we've been heating up a pan. Not really. That is not the kind of pan you would use. But we got it at a Korean supermarket. Really cheap and really big.
So,
Cut.
so now we're gonna put in the chocolate chip.
Yeah. Let's stir those babies in.
This is what I do at my home. I go like this. I like squeeze it, and this is what the leftovers are.
That
But
seems like enough for now. How about
But
some
I'm at
for
your
later?
house.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. How about some for later while we're cooking? Thank you, that's it. Thank you very much. And what do we do next? We cook it. A little bit of oil. The red-handled spatula, also purchased from the same store. Mush it around. That's too much oil. So what we do is we get rid of the excess. That's hot. That's some hot oil. All right, we're gonna lower the heat.
Excuse my language.
Alright, we got some.
Guys, I'm just eating my chocolate chips.
Okay. Well, we want to stir that in. We did, right? We want to see that or no?
Alright, guys, we'll see you back when all of this stuff is on the pan.
Ready?
Woo!
Alright, guys, so we have all, well, not all of it, but like all of the pancakes
We're gonna do just 2 for
on here.
now.
We'll do just 2 for now.
See how they come out?
And I'm just gonna eat this,
Yeah.
these chocolate chips. And ooh,
Looking
nice
good.
and simple. Make sure you ask your parents' permission to do this. And now we're gonna add some.
That was a
chocolate
mistake.
chips. That was a mistake. All right, that's gonna be really hot. And we'll put it on there. Sadly, that one only has 4 chocolate chips on it. Very sad.
Oh!
is back.
All right, and we're gonna have a blue plate special.
Eating more chocolate chips. Watch this, guys.
Alright, guys. So now we're gonna add. We'll see you back when we have more pancakes on here. Alright, guys. So now we have some more pancakes on here. And we have our pancakes over here. Pretty cool. Yeah? Woo! Woo! These right here. And let's put some chocolate chips on top.
That's it.
I gotta introduce my grandma.
Okay. Sorry if you can't really see anything. I cannot put chocolate chips on pancakes at the same time while filming. That's just...
Yeah, my sister's
We'll put this on afterwards when we put them in the plate, because they're just falling all over.
Alright.
What is it? I didn't open all the windows.
Alright. So, now we'll see you back when they are
I have
done.
one thing to
Now we have our plate. Pancakes on there. And if you can't really see anything, that should be
because-
fine because I'm filming at the same time. And we'll put some more chocolate chips.
I might want to have some beer.
Have some beer. Is there enough beer in there?
There's beer.
Some right here.
Guys, just so you
And
know, I love beer.
Shut up, kid.
Alright, these are good.
Just so you know, he's kidding. He loves me.
sit down and eat now, no?
Alright. Now, we'll put some more on here.
Oh, a lot of chocolate chips in these
Lots
pancakes.
of chocolate chips in this one.
My pancakes. There's some liquid on my
It's
pancakes.
uncooked pancakes.
Erin is complaining over here. She is crying.
Liquid on her pancakes.
I have liquid on my pancakes.
I got liquids on my fingers.
You're a fat chef.
Do they like syrup?
Alright, we'll see you when we are all done with everything.
I think it was an almost success, right? Because
Yeah.
it was a little bit of a fail. Don't make them too thick because they won't cook in the center.
Yeah,
We
and
gotta
that
put 'em
happened
back
to
in.
me, and he gave me all the back.
And then you have to burn them in order to have them cook in the center.
Our guest judge.
Well,
over
mine were fine because look.
And this is
Oh,
what
so
I got.
good.
I'm not even starting to eat them because
Well, that's the end. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.